Hey Bingo, let's wave hello to our friends. Today we're going to explore high and low sounds. Can you stretch your hands and arms up way up high? Can you bow your head down low? I have this tone bar here that makes a low sound and a smaller tone bar that makes a high sound. High, low, high, low. You like that? Now we're going to play a little game. We're going to sing the song. High, low, what sound do you hear now? And when you hear the sound, you decide if it's high or low. To me, that sounded high. So I'm going to stretch my arms, and Bingo, you stretch your arms way up high. Let's practice. High, low, which sound do you hear now? That was my Japanese tone bell. Let's try another instrument. High, low, what sound do you hear now? High, low, what sound do you hear now? High, low, what sound do you hear now? My cowbell. High, low, what sound do you hear now? High, low, what sound do you hear now? Let's take a look at the different instruments that I used for the high and low sounds. First, like I said, I used a Japanese bowl bell sound. I love that. I got that from Japan. Then I used my big drum. That's very low. Then I used my glockenspiel. I used my cowbell. You saw that one. And then I used my dulcimer. I did a high sound on my dulcimer and a low sound. Can you think of things around you that make high and low sounds? I bet you can. Well, Bingo, I had fun exploring high and low, and I hope that you did too. We'll see you around. Bye-bye.